In this video, I will be going over how to create single and multiple level decks. I will create the deck perimeter with the straight deck railing tool. This tool can be found under Build, Railing and Deck, Straight Deck Railing. I can also find this tool over here, under the Railing Parent tool or within the Child tool palette. Home Designer will automatically assign the room type as a deck. I can open the deck specifications to change the materials. I can right-click over the deck and open the dialog, or I can select the room and open over here. Under the Materials panel, I can change what the deck is made with. Click OK to exit the dialog. I will now open my full camera view. Click Full Camera, click and drag where you want your camera to be placed. I will now go back into my plan view, select Window, Tile vertically. And now I can see both views at the same time. As I update my plan in 2D, my 3D view will be updated automatically. The same goes for any changes made in my 3D view. It will automatically update any changes within my 2D view. To change the height of the existing deck, click inside the deck room and open the Specifications dialog. Under the Structure panel, I can change the floor height. I will change it to 24 inches to match the section of the house that is raised. I want to extend the deck and build it lower than the existing portion. If the deck is low enough to the ground and railing is not needed, I will use the Straight Deck Edge tool. I will select this tool and create a new deck perimeter. As you can see, there is no way to access the upper deck from the outside. I'll need an opening in the railing and I will need to add steps. Select the Draw Stairs tool. You can find this tool under Build, Stairs, Draw Stairs. It can also be found here under the Stairs Parent tool or within the Child tool palette. Click next to the deck to create the stairs going down to the ground. Notice that the stairs automatically created an opening in the deck railing. I am now going to place stairs from the lower deck to the upper deck. I will use the Draw Stairs tool. Always click on the lower level to create the set of steps to the upper level. I will also click over the terrain to create stairs up to the lower deck. I can then click the edit handles and extend the stairs to the left or the right. Because these stairs are the same height and have the same number of treads, they will miter together at the corner. Another easy way to create a deck is to use the Polygon Shape Deck tool. Click the Build menu and under Railings and Decks, select Polygon Shape Deck. You can then choose to create a symmetrical polygon shaped deck and specify the length of the sides. Click OK to exit out of the dialog. Click inside the plan to place the deck. This concludes the deck video. Thank you for watching.